Hello and welcome to the summer trip 2019. We are at the moment in Tallinn, and basically it's already day number 5 or 6. I think it's day number 6 of this trip. But until now I just drove from Norway to Finland, and then Teemo took my bike in 2 pieces and screwed it back together. So it should be ready for the trip. And today we took the ferry from Helsinki to Tallinn. And today's target is ambitious, but it will be North Poland. So it just drives right through down. No stops. We want to get to Czechia, where the good roads will start, and then we make our way through Slovakia and Hungary to Romania, back to Transforce, Gorsen and Transalpina, and then we go to Greece and back up through the Balkan countries to Austria and then back to Norway. Should be doable in 2 weeks. Anyway, that's it for now. Watch the map, that way you know how far we get tonight.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven's end. We need tonight. I run away.
One good thing about Latvia is, and I was also a little bit like that in Estonia, the people get out of your way. Not just the traffic in your direction, also the oncoming traffic. Of course, now when I'm recording we are not in this situation, but maybe it comes soon. And now here it should work again. See the silver car in the front there is like, okay, I go to the right side, just pass. So let's see if the oncoming traffic does the same. Of course not, Murphy's Law. I didn't get the smiley face. Thank you, sir. He's making space, oncoming traffic makes space. Why isn't that like this in every country? That's the only thing I don't like. 50 tons with speed cameras. And we're in Lithuania.
We'll never forget the past. But what counts is our
Yes, this is the end of the day. Let's call this one day 1, since now the trip really has started. I have around 40 kilometers to go to the hotel where we sleep tonight, close to the Polish border, and then we just get some food and get ready to invade tomorrow. The road was quite boring, but luckily there was some traffic, so I got some good overtakes and lane splitting and stuff like that.